the actual game engine that I was working on. So going into the actual game engine itself, this is basically, I got a flag here called skidpad, which I can set to true. And if skidpad is set to true, it doesn't render the track, it just basically renders this square, and we actually got the car driving around on that actual test track. So it looks something like this. If I just go in and go to the actual track. And, kind of what I wanted to simulate, I have actually, hard-coded in, so we leave tyre tracks even when we're not skidding. And this is just so I could see where the car has driven. So the wheels aren't skidding there, it's just leaving tyre tracks like it would do in the sand. And then I was saying, well, here's the car actually sliding around. You can see that it's, doing a corner slide here. And then I can, use brakes, use acceleration, and basically simulate how the car drives. And I kind of wanted to get happy with that kind of model before I started, focusing on and getting the car to actually run on the track with all of the collision detection and stuff like that. So I spent quite a bit of time, trying to get the numbers right so it would actually feel, a bit like a car sliding around a track. Now, I'm making really simple assumptions here. If you're thinking about going into doing, more serious simulations, there's a magic formula which I'm not going to attempt to pronounce, but this is basically what a lot of the racing games use. It's a certain formula that somebody's come out with to basically calculate what's called a tyre friction curve, which is basically simulating for each of the four wheels on the car how the actual tyre is going to slip based on various inputs that we put into the formula. So it generates curves like these. And you can see the actual code for the actual formula is very complex. There are also, C# implementations of this actual formula here if you want to plug them in. So, has the projector gone altogether?